Hi guys, it's Dr. Sammy Pryor, and today I'm going to show you how to brew up kombucha. Okay, kombucha is a probiotic, so it's very good for your intestines. They get the nice bacteria and yeast that's in here. They're healthy. Kombucha's been around since about 2000 BC, they estimate. So can you imagine these little colonies? SCOBY stands for Symbiotic Community of Bacteria and Yeast, have been with us for like 4,000 plus years. So cool. So the first thing you need is the SCOBY, and you need a gallon jar to ferment it in, and the gallon jar needs to have like a cheesecloth over it with a rubber band or a lid that has a little hole in it, because kombucha brews with air, okay, with air. Not all things ferment. You know, some things need to have anaerobic conditions, but not this, okay? So once you got the SCOBY in a jar to put the kombucha in, you're going to start to boil water, okay? So we're going to boil the water. Get a good quantity of water. Okay, we'll let that boil, and you need to have a little tea bag, or you need to have a basket to put the tea in. And I have some organic awesome breakfast black tea here, and you can use green tea or black tea. And you're going to measure out 6 teaspoons, okay? And you're going to put it in the bag. So 1. So 6, and then close up the bag, and once that gets to a boil, you're going to put it in the water, okay? And then turn the stove off and put a lid on it. Brew it for 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. And then after the 15-minute mark, you're going to put in a cup of sugar, okay? You're going to pour in the cup of sugar, and you're going to stir it up till it's all dissolved. And then you're going to let that sit until it gets to room temperature. And then you're going to pour it over the SCOBY, and then continue to add the water till you get to the top of the jar. Okay, just continue to add water till you get to the top. And then you'll let that sit in room temperature, and try to not put it in direct sunlight, and you'll do that for 7 days, okay? And then at that time you can bottle it up, and the bottling you will want to check after you bottle it. You'll want to check every 2 to 3 days to see the taste of this kombucha, see if you like it. And when you're making the kombucha, you can also to the bottles add 10% juice, or even fruit, like mashed up fruit. Yeah, fruit juice or mashed up fruit. Yeah, so that's the basics of how you brew kombucha. So yeah, you got to get yourself a jug, maybe cheesecloth, and a rubber band to put over the cheesecloth to keep it in place, or you can find one of those plastic lids with the hole. And you're going to ferment for 7 days, and then bottle and check every 2 to 3 days after that, okay? And in my video link below, I'll have a bottle, a gallon bottle, and I'll have bottling. You can use the flip top bottles, or they have specialized fermentation bottles, okay? But that's all this video is about. And yeah, I'm just going to finish brewing up this kombucha. Okay, have a good night. Bye.